In the heart of South Asia lies Pakistan, a land of breathtaking beauty and rich culture. Yet, beneath this vibrant surface, a silent crisis looms. Pakistan is the sixth most affected country in the world by climate change, grappling with the harsh realities of a warming planet. Pakistan, one of the lowest carbon emitters in the world, ranking 142nd globally, is bearing the brunt of climate change's fury. Despite its minimal carbon footprint, the country faces catastrophic consequences. In 2022, devastating floods affected 33 million people, claimed 1,500 lives, destroyed 2 million homes, and resulted in a staggering $30 billion in economic losses. These numbers are a stark reminder of the climate injustice Pakistan faces, where the human and economic costs of climate change vastly outweigh its contribution to global emissions.
We lost everything, our home, our crops. We had no warning. It felt like the world was ending.
In the midst of unprecedented challenges, the Pakistan Red Crescent Society has emerged as a beacon of hope, delivering vital aid and succor to those most affected. Their selfless response to recent disasters has been truly exemplary, demonstrating unwavering dedication, compassion, and resilience. Through their tireless efforts, the Pakistan Red Crescent Society has provided emergency shelter, food and water to thousands of displaced families, administered critical medical care and psychological support to trauma victims, facilitated search and rescue operations, reconnecting loved ones and bringing hope to desperate communities, mobilized volunteers, resources and expertise to bridge gaps in disaster relief. Their heroic response has saved countless lives, alleviated suffering, and inspired a nation. The Pakistan Red Crescent Society's commitment to humanitarian service is a testament to the power of compassion and community. Beyond disaster response, PRCS proactively mitigates climate risks through sustainable initiatives. Mangrove plantations, tree planting, and community cleanups, building resilience for a safer future. PRCS has established an early warning system, monitoring potential disasters through partnerships with Federal Flood Commission and Pakistan Meteorological Department. With national and provincial emergency centres, PRCS swiftly responds to emergencies, saving lives and mitigating impact. Imagine a future where communities thrive despite climate change. The Pakistan Red Crescent Society is making this vision a reality. With sustainable solutions, PRCS is empowering schools with solar power, ensuring uninterrupted learning for generations to come, and upgrading water, sanitation, and hygiene facilities to protect community health and well-being. PRCS is building resilience in the face of climate change.
The climate crisis in Pakistan demands urgent action. I invite the global community to join Pakistan Red Crescent Society in our mission to safeguard Pakistan's future. This is a challenge that transcends borders. It requires collective actions from all nations. We must work together to raise awareness about the urgent realities of climate change and advocate for policies that prioritize sustainability worldwide. We can create a network of solidarity that strengthens our collective response. The time to act is now. Together we can forge a sustainable future for our planet and ensure that no one is left behind. Let's rise to this challenge together. Support Pakistan Red Crescent Society's life-saving work from disaster prevention to resilience building. Together, let's create a safer, sustainable tomorrow.
We need locally led actions, strengthen allocations, investment in local capacities and support a decentralized, devolved financing to deliver at scale. Increase quality, quantity and accessibility of adaptation finance. Increase coherence across climate, development and humanitarian financing to strengthen risk-informed action. But we cannot do it alone. We need your support to expand these critical initiatives. Join us in building a more resilient and sustainable future together.
Capacity building is at the heart of PRCS's strategy. By training volunteers and community members, they are creating a network of advocates for climate action. PRCS is also increasing its visibility on the global stage, advocating for policy reforms on climate change adaptation and disaster risk management. Their participation in international climate conferences, like the COP, is crucial for bringing attention to Pakistan's plight. Climate change threatens Pakistan's future, but PRCS is on the front lines, protecting vulnerable communities. Join the fight. Support PRCS's life-saving work, from disaster prevention to resilience building. Together, let's create a safer, sustainable tomorrow. As Pakistan stands at the crossroads of climate change, the efforts of the Pakistan Red Crescent Society illuminate a path forward. Together, we can build a sustainable future where communities thrive despite the challenges posed by a warming planet.